Welcome back to my channel, you all. This past weekend, the 20th of March, was my dad's birthday. He passed away in September of 2019. So my niece, Paula, decided to come down to visit. And she asked me to cook. This is my niece and I, Paula, and I will be adding her link to her IG page, so please support. I decided to make her some saltfish with some plantain and Johnny cake and some avocado on the side. I started out with my oil in the pan, and I'd already boiled my saltfish for approximately 30 minutes. And here you go, I'm frying up my saltfish right now. That's what you see me doing right here. Getting it to a crispy consistency, and then I added some diced tomatoes. Now some people add this when they add in their onions at the end, but I prefer to add mine in so during my in the beginning, as you can see. Following that, I will then add in my onions on the top, and that's after my saltfish is all done. I put those on the top and I cover it up because I like my onions to have a crunch and some crisp to it. So there you see, everything is done. I put the top on and I am proceeding now with my Johnny cake. My Johnny cake consists of flour, baking soda, some coconut milk, a little butter and sugar. And I kneaded my flour. I sat it to the side in some saran for 20 minutes. And now I'm proceeding to boil them and fry them. And I say I fried them for approximately, let's say about 5 minutes on both sides. And voila, here you go. See my Johnny cake. Then I will proceed with my plantain. So here you see I'm cutting the plantain on the side. Make certain you cut the skin and not into the plantain. And I utilize my skin afterward to actually put my plantain in to absorb the oil. And something that I see a lot of YouTubers do, or people in general, is that when they putting their plantain in the pot or even out of the pot, they are utilizing a fork. That allows the oil to absorb inside the plantain. So avoid a fork. Use something, a tongue or a spoon or a spatula to pick up your plantain. And like I said again, I'm utilizing the skin to absorb the oil from the plantain. And I have some cut up avocado here with a little black pepper, fresh black pepper. And there you see my Johnny cakes. And voila, here's the meal. Oh yeah, and also I did add to drink some ting on the side. Thank you so very much for watching my video. Please remember to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And click on that ting-a-ling-a-ling school bell ring. Ciao.